Ever watched an AI-generated video and thought, wait, that's not what's actually happening? You're not alone. Researchers are on a mission to fix a big problem: AI hallucinations, when models fabricate details, like claiming a person wears both a red shirt and a blue hat when only a red shirt is visible. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough tool called FIFA, not the soccer kind, but a faithfulness evaluation framework that's revolutionizing how we detect these errors. Let's break it down. So why are AI hallucinations a big deal? Imagine an AI describing a birthday scene. A grandmother with gray hair blows out candles on a cake. Sounds fine until it adds, she's wearing a blue hat. If the video doesn't show a hat, that's a hallucination. These errors can spread misinformation or create unsafe outputs, especially as AI powers everything from news to virtual assistants. Traditional tools to catch these mistakes. They're limited. Most only work for one type of task, like checking video descriptions, but miss contradictions in longer answers or dynamic scenes. Think of it like using a ruler to measure a mountain. It's not built for complexity. Enter FIFA, the AI detective. Here's how it works. 1. Fact extraction. It pulls out every detail from the AI's output, like two people, red clothes, or a blue hat. 2. Dependency mapping. It builds a map of how these facts connect. If the AI says there's a dog, but later claims the dog is white, FIFA checks if the dog even exists. If not, the color detail gets flagged. 3. VideoQA verification. Using AI models trained to answer questions about videos, FIFA tests each fact against the actual footage. If the AI's description contradicts the video, it's a red flag. But FIFA doesn't stop at checking, it corrects. The team developed post-correction, a tool that automatically fixes errors. Imagine an AI saying someone wears a red shirt and a blue hat, when only a red shirt is visible. Post-correction would spot that and revise the description to match the facts. Why does this matter? As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, reliability is critical. A single hallucination could mislead viewers or create unsafe outputs. FIFA and post-correction are like fact-checkers for AI, ensuring generated content stays true to reality. So next time you see an AI video, remember, tools like FIFA are hard at work keeping things accurate. If you want to explore this research further, check the link in the description. And if you're curious about how AI is shaping our future, hit subscribe. We've got more deep dives coming. Let's zoom in on the technical heart of FIFA. At its core, this framework uses multi-step reasoning to validate AI outputs. First, it employs entity recognition to identify all objects, people, and actions in the generated text. Then it maps semantic dependencies, like how wearing a hat logically depends on the existence of a hat in the scene. But here's where it gets clever. FIFA leverages contrastive learning. By training on pairs of correct and incorrect descriptions, it learns to distinguish between factual claims and fabrications. For example, if the model says, the skateboarder jumped over a puddle, but the video shows a tripping motion, FIFA flags the discrepancy using pre-trained vision language models like CLIP. This isn't just about catching errors, it's about debugging the AI's internal logic. Traditional metrics like BLEU or Rouge measure surface-level similarity to reference texts, but they miss contradictions. FIFA, by contrast, acts as a logical consistency checker, ensuring that the AI's narrative aligns with the input data. The implications are huge. For video generation, this means fewer ghost objects, like invisible characters, and more coherent event sequences. For applications like medical imaging or autonomous systems, it could prevent life-threatening errors. Imagine an AI describing a patient's scan and falsely claiming a tumor is malignant when the data shows it's benign. FIFA would catch that. Looking ahead, researchers are exploring real-time integration of FIFA into AI pipelines. By embedding it directly into training loops, models could learn to avoid hallucinations during generation, not just after the fact. This could lead to self-correcting AI, systems that audit their own outputs as they create them. If you're a developer or researcher, check out the FIFA paper linked below. For everyone else, stay curious. This is just the beginning of a new era in AI reliability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comments. The future of AI is being built right now, and you're invited to watch it unfold.